welcome to our channel.
I'm Kate.
And I'm Nevaeh. And we are going to be doing
The 24-hour handcuff challenge.
Yeah!
Yay!
These are the keys. They're gonna be right here.
Yay!
Right there. We're both. I hear it's hard. We both pee a lot, so we're both righties. So we're gonna do rock paper scissors over who gets what. 2 out of 3. Ready? Rock paper scissors shoot. Thank you, Caitlin. Okay. You're stretching it. Okay, ready? Rock paper scissors shoot. Dang it! Which one do you want? You want your right? You want your left?
You're always doing paper.
I know. You want your right or left?
I'm on my right hand.
Alright, so switch me. Go that way.
Right.
You crawl over me and so we start. Go!
Oh, I thought my left was my right and my right was my left.
No. Okay, that's handcuffs.
Here's yours.
But this challenge. Okay. My fat wrist don't fit here! We started.
Ow! I put my.
No, you can't take it off. We started. Okay, so we'll update y'all later on what we do. Like we're not gonna. Ow! We're not gonna like fully record. Hey, Nevaeh, look over there. Ow! So, anyways, we're not gonna.
You should loosen yours up.
No, I can't. I just can't try it. We just cheated. We're not gonna record. What? Nugget? We're not gonna be recording the whole thing, only certain parts that we do.
Yes.
So, yeah. Bye. Back again.
So Nevaeh decided she wanted to do.
A music lead.
It's a TikTok
Oh,
video.
sorry. I'm gonna do a TikTok just because. So, I'm gonna. Ow! You gotta participate with me, Caitlin. Are you ready?
No.
I just did that for the fun of it.
I choked on my chicken nugget.
So yeah. Peace.
So we're still handcuffed. We went to see if we had a selfie stick, so I don't have to, or we don't have to raise it up all the way, because it's tiring. But we got bored really fast, and we decided to go for a walk. Ew. You good?
No, I burped. It was like really, really gross.
And Nevaeh farted on me.
I did.
Oh, Caitlin, you have to carry me. Why don't we go in the street?
I was gonna grab your hand and run. Ow!
Go in the grass.
sidewalk.
Oh my god. I don't like this. That's my cat.
That black one?
Yes.
No, it's not.
That's Panther.
Panther! Sit down, Panther! No, it's not. It's not.
Oh my god. Okay. So,
Hi.
hi.
We're still handcuffed.
Again. So we're gonna go to the nature trail and walk. It's gonna be a very long walk.
Yeah, my hair's falling out, so I gotta fix it.
Well, you wanna stop first?
Keep going. Wasting time.
There's a person watching us. That's always cool. That's actually a nice, pretty motorcycle. Tired. Whatever. Okay, so we just entered.
Oh wait, we're still handcuffed.
Yeah, we're still handcuffed. We just entered the nature trail, and then we're gonna leave because our friend, a special guest, is gonna
Meet us at the park.
join us on our little journey of ours, and we're tired.
Oh.
I told you!
When do you get to the park?
Yeah. Okay. We'll see you. Oh! Okay. We'll see you when we see Ileana. Oh, no! Okay.
I'm scared.
Okay. Bye. At the park.
We're still
handcuffed.
And
But Ileana! Come here. Okay, so let's get on with the trail.
That something was getting me. I was so scared. Oh, we're on the trail. That's where the rabbits come out of.
We're tired.
Look, they all went away because Ileana's with us now. I can't tell if we're getting it. Ileana! A family-friendly video! It's a family! Yeah, it smells like trash! The pineapple that pineapple almost fell. Is you Oh, no! Okay. Yeah, don't fall. Oh, that's where it is? Oh, no. I almost slipped on it. Okay. Ching chong! Dude, I'm scared. What if I fall? Kaylee, you fall with me, right? Yeah, pretty much. So it's stable. Okay. Ileana, get in front of us. They'll attack you first. I'm oldest. I got stuck! Ew, it smells! Dang, Ileana, what did you eat? Like, that's what the... I need my steak. Wait, where am I going again? We're just going straight. We're following the trail. Waterhole. That is where it drank the drink. Go, Caitlin. Why me? What's in there? Ileana, go. Go. You're the man. Are you for real? Seems stable. Yeah, it's very... Let me jump. No. Caitlin. Caitlin. Stop. Fall in. I know, I'm going to... Yoink. There's a drink right there. Wait, let me just hop there. Take time! Take time! Take time! I wish I could run like that, but I got this... Okay, we're good. No, 31. Here's mine. Oh, yeah, we're good. Oh my god. This hurts. Oh, baby. Shakira. Where's my stick? Oh my gosh, she almost hit me with her stick. Where's my stick? You left it. Take it. Kaylee, we gotta go back and go get it.
We finished.
Wait, we're still handcuffed.
We're still handcuffed. We finished the nature trail.
With Ileana. Shout out to Ileana. We saw Kate on the way. We saw Ashton on the way. Oh, no, we didn't.
Yeah.
We saw them. No, we
met
went to their
them.
house.
Yeah,
They live.
much.
I know where you live.
Okay, so I'm sorry.
I'm leaving them.
Yeah. Okay. So
Caitlin has a shadow. It's only been an hour. Like for real, it's only been an hour, and we are.
we're tired.
We're very tired. This is very tiring. It's taking a lot of effort and energy.
The video seems so fun, but I wanna quit.
Yeah. We're about to watch The Late Bloomer. So we'll see you guys whenever we're done. We haven't peed in like an hour, so.
Me and Caitlin are still handcuffed, and Caitlin has to go use the restroom. So Caitlin's gonna use the restroom. Oh no, Mel! You're gonna record this? Yeah, I'm not gonna get that. Now she has to wash her hands.
Wait, what is this? Sausage?
It's sausage and pepperoni. Do you not like sausage?
Yeah. Yes, but I saw something different and I was like, wait, what's this?
Nugget. You want a Tostito roll? It's made out of guinea pig.
Hey, man.
Alright, we'll see you later.
We're still handcuffed. And we're about to go take a shower.
You know what?
Caitlin, what are you doing? Are you taking a bubble? Caitlin!
Caitlin is now down there washing her hair.
Nudity me. You might not be getting my boob. I'm not getting your boob. I hate this. Okay, leave.
We finished. That was the most
And we're
fun.
still handcuffed.
That was so hard.
Now it's time for us to brush your hair. And we both brush our hair with our right, so... Oh no, she's brushing her hair with her left.
This is my right.
Oh! Hi. Okay, let me fix it. We're still handcuffed. It is about to be 11.
I'm tired.
We're very tired, and we still have makeup all over our face, but that's okay. Our hair's messed up. Our wrists are broken. And we will
See y'all in the morning.
We're going to good night.
We're going to bed.
Yeah, we're going tonight. Good night.
Night.
Bye.
Morning. We're still handcuffed.
That was something different. It was very. It was tired. Read. Caitlin overslept like a lot.
What do you mean?
You usually wake up early.
Oh yeah, I know.
She wakes up early, but not today. We're about to finish our challenge.
We are gonna get dressed somehow. I guess we're gonna have like our shirts dangle. Wait, what?
We gotta change our bottoms
Okay, that's it.
and put on makeup, and then we'll be done. And do our hair, obviously. Caitlin, I kept on moving last night.
We'll see y'all later. Bye. We're gonna go pee. Well, I'm gonna go pee. And she hasn't even peed yet.
No, but I've been farting.
A lot. It's been horrible. Y'all don't even know what I went through, guys. And it's usually me that always farts. But this time it was her.
I have look, I have a bruiser here. I think I sprained my ankle.
You mean your wrist?
My wrist.
Your wrist.
It's cold in your room, Caitlin.
It feels good.
Did I feed the rest?
Okay, let's go pee.
I
wanna go pee.
You're drowning me. Okay. Ow, Caitlin.
Oh my god! That's how much I moved. I moved everything. I moved a thing. That's how uncomfortable I was.
It was also very cold, so I think I went into that one too.
Caitlin! That's staying in. Okay. Hold this while I pee. Still handcuffed.
Yeah, and we're your toes. We're about to get dressed. Oh, we just ate cereal. I forgot to record that. But we're not too. Okay, yeah. We're gonna change and do our hair and makeup. So what do you want to do first, Caitlin? Brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Alright. Here. going to put on our makeup.
Oh!
We're doing so good today. I'm gonna go in with this one just to like get it done. And then get it in there. Oh wow, hey.
Finished.
And we're still handcuffed.
We're still handcuffed. Vivian did so good. I'm so proud of her. She had doubt, but
I had so many doubts in that palette too.
But it came out good.
Look how smooth it looks. Oh look. Oh yes.
It looks good. I'm really proud of her. She did really good. I'm proud of her. Hey, so what time is it?
10:56. So technically we have 12, 1.
We have 2 more hours.
Is that toothpaste? I got toothpaste.
I'm so proud of us.
Don't look.
We just need to like change our pants, shorts. Wait,
I have to go pee this time.
she's gonna go pee. And
You can come back. Ow! Stay. Don't move.
we're still handcuffed. Ow.
We have, what time is it? It's 12:10. We have till 1. Oh! Hi!
Nevaeh's gonna get changed. I'm not because.
Where's my green? Oh, I'm gonna change. We have till 1:10 to. I just took my pants. We have till. Come over here. Don't get the bottom. Ow!
Sorry. She's gonna.
One. We're done at 1:10 a.m.
PM.
Yeah. Where are my pants? Caitlin, you stole my pants.
No,
I brought pants. Oh wait. Oh, they're here. I'm so sorry. Okay, skid over. Okay.
Nasty.
Okay, so I changed. No, I
That
promise.
was hard. You don't know what I went through.
It was so hard. So what happened is that she went through my shirt. My shirt was like, it was. I don't know how it was supposed to. It was supposed to look like this. Well, it does it now. She crawled through this. No, okay. So I put on this arm. I put it on my head. Okay. Did you go through your feet first or your head first?
My head first.
She did that. She went through. And then so I had to put my arm through, which means her arm had to go through. So we were like that, trying to get through this. And I was like, Caitlin, you're tiny. You're small, so you can fit through my sleeve. It got stuck right here. See, like it's like very, very, very big now. So. Oh my God, I'm scared. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, you're that. Okay, come on, get up. Okay. 11:15. We have 5 more minutes left. Just 5. I was gonna say we get out at 5 at 1. I was gonna say we get out at 1:20. We stop at 1:20. It is 1:16. We'll be back at 1:20. So we thought we had like 5 more minutes left.
We're still handcuffed.
But we're still handcuffed because we went to our first when we first clicked it on, and we saw that it was like around 140, maybe 2. And we're going to HEB.
Yay! Yeah.
So we accidentally took off the handcuffs.
I just changed.
Yeah, we took off the handcuffs, and then like we were laying down, and when Caitlin was using the restroom, I was looking at the videos, and I saw like we're not done yet, so we're very mad.
Okay.
Y'all doing the vlog? Yeah. We're here at HEB's.
I hate this.
And we're still handcuffed. And we're still handcuffed.
And we already saw someone that we know.
Yeah.
Okay, just go
Okay,
in.
Bye.
Bye.
So it looks very chalky. We're at the food department now. Or the fruit.
Vegetable,
Vegetable.
fruit, whatever.
Same thing. Pomegranates. They look squished already.
What is this? Chocolate mousse made with So it's like a healthier Nutella.
Oh, someone already stole it.
Ow, Caitlin. I opened it. You versus the guy who she tells you not to worry about.
Caitlin. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell and jingle. Ow, ow. No, the push of a fun. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock.
It's pretty. That was torture.
Yeah,
I got some lashes.
yeah. And I dragged her.
She
Because
dragged.
she was taking too long. Okay, so they're all for free. And I'm going home.
Yeah.
I'm going home.
Alright. Oh, we're dark. Okay. Well. What now? Oh my gosh. Okay.
Y'all are gonna have to figure out another 24-hour challenge.
No.
24 hours stuck in my room. We're in my room for 24 hours.
How can you do that without peeing or pooping?
Are we gonna have like
A
a bucket?
In my
That's gonna
closet.
no. Okay, that's gonna like stink bad. Okay.
Oh yeah,
Well,
it would.
make sure to like, comment, share, comment, and subscribe. No, yeah, hold it. I'm tired. Okay.
Alright, thanks for watching.
Bye.